Okay guys, my name is Lens and I want you to join the Lens Empire by subscribing to my YouTube channel and also smash the like button. I'm Lens. Hi guys, Lens here, and in this video we'll be talking more about the Sony Xperia XZ2 Premium specifications. Yeah, so this phone is a phone that will be released in this new year 2018 by Sony. So you gotta make believe Sony. So yeah, when we look at this phone, we can see that this phone is a 64GB storage, which is awesome. Also, I always admire the 20 megapixel camera from the Sony Xperia phones, and this one also we can see has a 20 megapixel camera, which is also awesome. Battery life is 25 mAh, not too bad. So we can see that the battery is something that will be sustainable. So we can see it's a Qualcomm Snapdragon with a 1.9 GHz processor, quad core, and it's a 64-bit. What we're talking about here, we're talking about a phone that is waterproof resistance, also dust proof. There are a lot of other different features and different things that we can see here, especially with the camera, digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, touch to focus. So these are all additional features that we can see here with this Sony XZ2. Also we can see continuous shooting, high dynamic range mode, and there's also resolution front camera, which is 13 megapixels. Now reasons why you may want to obtain the Sony XZ2 Premium. Yeah, I would want to do so because it is fast charging. Yes, also we can see that it is also a dual SIM phone with Nano SIM 1 and 2, which is awesome. We can use two different mobile networks on this Sony phone. So this is very awesome. This is very cool. This baby is waterproof. We're gonna go swimming this new year with this phone. I'm just waiting for this release. So those of you who are waiting to test out this Sony Xperia XZ2, let me know in the comment section below. So yes guys, subscribe to my channel for the update video on this phone. So yeah, subscribe, like this video, share, and all of that good stuff.